Okay, Garrett, this thing is not aimed properly. I can tell by the tone. So I'm going to be working it, but I'm not going to wear the headset because I don't have a good way to hang my. Oh, there you go. You just turned yours on. Okay. There is a difference in the tone, that's for sure. I'm going to be aligning it by the tone, and I'm not going to be wearing the headset because I've got nowhere to put the hard hat at the moment. Nice and cool right now. There's heat warnings all over Middle Tennessee at the moment, but I got a little tiny bit of a breeze up here, and I'm sweating, so it's kind of cool. Now, when these people build these dishes, they don't really give a flip about the installer. They're not convenient at all. You know, attaching cables, weatherproofing things. You just don't think about that stuff. But it's got to be done. Now, let's see here. That's going to be a little more trouble, I think. Also, I need to get this one off. I beg to differ with you. Okay, I know about where I am now. I found the side lobe. Really hard to tell about the angle of the feed horn on this tower because the tower is leaning in. So I'm going to put my clinometer out on the feed horn and see what I get. "12-mile hop." It's pretty good hop for 100 milliwatts. They told me what the path aligner puts out one time, and I forgot. Maybe like a watt or something like that. Okay, I think I got this pretty tight. I'll be testing it some more. Now, in the bottom of that bag is a brand new clinometer because I couldn't find my other one. I want to see it lean. I just picked up some screws out of my bag. I'd rather see it lean that way. Pretty close. I wonder. Try something else here. Make sure. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better. Shit. Pulling it up. Poor amount. And who bought these dishes? Oh, it was me. Ah, phooey. Get it back down where I had it. Okay, Garrett, see if you can make any improvements on your end.
Yeah, are you reading like right at 80.2, 80.3 right now?
80.8, 80.7, but yeah, right in that area. Ooh. Ooh. It did improve a little bit ago. Ooh. You are making improvements.
You can actually detect the side lobes. What will happen, you get out there in that 96 range and then start coming back in, it will rise, significantly, then it'll drop off again, then you'll hit the hot spot after that. Right there, it's about 79.5. That's considerably better than I have seen.
Yeah, it's about the same thing I've got over here. It's about the best I can get it.
That's fine. Just go ahead and lock it down. Lock it down snugly. Let's check the other polarity, the vertical polarity.
10-4. I'll switch over to that one now.